I'm standing right at the bottom and looking up. Wow. Wow, man. The Christmas tree, a comfortable chair, and Santa. Oh, there's a white Christmas tree here. Good evening from Singapore. I'm now at the Orchard Road. There's a lot of Christmas decorations and Christmas tree right here. So today is the second day of opening. It's just opened yesterday. These are Shaw Towers. There's an arcade here and a trampoline right here. You guys hear the carols, Christmas carols. This little tram looks really cute, man. There's lots of games here. The big thief, hook a duck, and that sounds corny, right? Hook a duck. Standing in front of the Wheel Dog place now, there's a nice Christmas decorations. Wow, just arrived outside the Ion. I'll come back later when there's lights, but this is a daytime shot. Enjoy some ice cream while you're at Orchard Road. So I returned back today because I want to have a feel of how the vibes like the daytime. It's kind of different feeling because you get to see things more clearer, but with lights at night it's more fun. And right here we have another nice decorations. Now there's a tip: if the front has too many people queuing for the photo, why not come to the back? There's no people queuing. It looks the same. There's a queue for me in front to take some photos upon iridescent rings. Oh, there's a white Christmas tree here. Then explore the Great Christmas Village by Christopia, which is just at the Neon City right here. But before that, let's check out this 40 meters Christmas tree right here. You heard it right, 40 meters right in front of the Neon City, Yangcheng. There are about 25 people here, all taking the beautiful selfies. And that's not all, I'll show you something else later. There are also beautiful red reindeers which will have the light come on later. But anyway, the Christmas tree is just outstanding. Look at that. Shivering beauty. I'm going to closer look for now. I'm standing right at the bottom and looking up. 40 meters of Christmas tree. It's just simply amazing. I'm going like half around and I feel I'm going to dream of the Christmas tree tonight. Wow. By the way, check out the big fierce lion guarding the Neon City. Definitely check out Hitachi Santa House. Wow. Wow, man. The Christmas tree, a comfortable chair, and Santa. That's a basketball game. Lucky rope, throw hoops, lucky coin, slingshot, roller, and tin can alley. And there's a slide for the kids. Oh, there's some kind of toys here for sale. It seems pretty fun. You can go up and go down. I mean, forward, it's kind of slant, kind of slope. Wow, it's now sunset and all the lights are on already. Orchard Road now looks different once again, much more beautiful. But then in this video, you got to see both the day view and night view, so it's the best of both worlds. Paragon, there's another Christmas tree. Don't forget to try the traditional ice cream. Only 150 cents from Uncle Ching's. I'm now standing in front of the main gallery. There's another beautiful Christmas tree and decoration, and look at the money mascot. Standing in front of the main gallery, there's a nice Christmas tree and a Merlin mascot. And look at the decoration of Christmas this year. There's another Pokemon statue. Oh, he actually has a head to it. He's a plate of the mascot. Don't forget to cross the road opposite Takashimaya. It's a Paragon, and outside they have a very nice kind of like Christmas tree. The Prada. Wow, look at this view. Sometimes you just cross the road and you get that kind of view, right? Let's see inside Takashima, any nice decorations. Right, the wonder of Christmas dreams at Takashimaya. Lots of Christmas bear here and they have a name to it. Bella. Wow. Oh, look at it. The snow is all coming down to my phone and myself.